I'll do some moves.
Cool.
I have
So this is an iris that opens and closes, and the idea behind this is sort of a prototype, kind of a what if a woman could protect herself against rape almost by her own body working.
So one of the things that artists bring to the table is a sort of unbridled experimentation with very similar subject matter ideas that are being explored in the science, and in many, many cases they're doing collaborations with scientists.
So it's 3D scans of construction sites in Toronto, all these dead, gray, dying areas. I've used computer vision techniques that kind of work like human vision. So the way we look at points in space and then our brains reconstruct depth for us, the computer's done the same thing with these dead architectural sites. And
it'll sanitize your hands.
Oh! That's hilarious.
Okay.
Yeah. I would kind of raise it up again and then pull it back down again. Yeah. And then really raise it up again. And then it would start like
what we do, creativity is also very, very important. Right? When we talk about who is a great scientist, you usually say he or she is very creative.
and there's some really nice. There's some really nice audio that goes along with that as well.
Hello, sir. I'd like my prescription filled, please.
Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. And you can take it.
So this is a piece called Cybernetic Spirits, and the idea behind this piece is that I want to sonify sacred fluids that we find somehow in blood. That's my own blood, actually. I got a blood draw about a week ago. Wow.
This idea of an appliance being something that historically was in the purview of the, women and what the women worked with the women did in the home and
whatever translation of the whole thing, and I'm like, yum! Any response to Frankenstein or like putting in research to it, I'm telling you, it's just really good. Yeah, are you? Yeah. I don't know what it is about the last What? Yeah. It was.
This is over 5 million faces from facial recognition databases used to train systems which find people, and none of these people gave their consent to really know that they're in these databases. And they go. Can we get a picture of you shaking his hand?
Very sensitive, huh?
And yet, computational creativity looks at computers as things that create in their own right.
Yeah, it wants to become. There's something about that foot that wants to become something like a. Which makes sense.
Thank you. So this is me, 1987. It's not Photoshop. And that was pretty much the beginning of the end. We're just coming out of a long winter of AI.
Researched all about this turtle, and now she's creating, this is the prototype of it, an AI turtle version of this extinct turtle. So she's bringing it back to life.
And, you know, there's this question, will AI take jobs? And there's some interesting answers to them. One of my favorite.
The more you start to get in, the more frustrating it gets, because the magnetic field means that they start doing stuff like that. Yeah, look at him go.
Study has come out analyzing what was the impact of all this fake news. How did it spread? Where did it go? And the final conclusion was essentially that the fake news moved faster, deeper, and further than the real news.
When you say no, it's just I don't expect to check. You like
it.